Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a clipping mask in Canva. So for us to be able to begin, just choose in the size or the template that you want to use. Now right after, just head here onto the elements and then we'll try to use our first photo in here that we want to use for our clipping mask. For example, this photo in here, let's click onto that. Let's resize this to make this bigger. And then right after, let's edit the image to remove its background. Let's remove the background first. Now right after, once that one is done, just head here onto effects, just scroll down a little bit, and you should be able to find a duotone. Click onto that, and then right after, just choose on custom. So just choose on to custom and make sure the highlights and shadows are on white. So let's choose white in here, just like that. Let's remove this one first since onto the background, let's color this one black. So let's choose that and let's make this one bigger, just like that. Then right after, we're going to go ahead and save this onto our device. So once you have downloaded that, let's upload that one here. Let's add in another page and let's add that one here. So just simply import your recently downloaded photo over here. So you can simply drag and drop that just like that. Make this one bigger. And then we'll try to remove also the background for this. Click on to edit image and the background remover. Now so that we could go ahead and remove this one correctly, since if you click onto the background remover, it shows something like this. We're going to click onto this one so that we could edit this correctly. So let's show the original image first, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and choose erase in here, and then we'll erase what's inside here. So make sure that you trace that one correctly so that it would be easier for us. So just make sure that this one is moved correctly so that it should really go ahead and depicts the photo that we have tried to add the clipping mask effect. So right after, let's head back and then let's try to add in a photo that we want to go ahead and add inside. So for example, a galaxy effect. Let's choose this one, make this bigger, and then just click on the layer and then send this to the back. And that is just basically it, how you create a clipping mask in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.